heaven hear me today. Let the earth hear me today. I will not support anybody who says that no other person from any ethnic group can be president. I won't do it. I will not do it. So when you go on national television and tell anybody, don't vote for the Yorubas, don't vote for the Igbos, you didn't even mention where I come from, which means nobody identifies with me, which means I come from nowhere, but God knows I come from somewhere. You are saying, don't vote for the Igbos, don't vote for the Yorubas. You didn't mention where I come from, which means I don't exist. God, are you alive? I say I don't exist. I exist. God has never made a mistake in life. God is the one who said where we should come from. It has nothing to do with party. It has nothing to do with party. It has to do with my identity. It has to do with what? My identity. Where do I come from? I don't mean to Nigeria. Nigeria does not recognize me. I come from somewhere. But by the grace of God, I come from somewhere. I must show that we come from somewhere. And you must show you come from somewhere. If somebody says you don't exist, say you exist. And we exist. River said we exist.